Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mao here. Another spot that I found the other day, the Olympic Park in Chuzhou here. I have here with me the Armor HD, the Armor 85 HD from MakerFire. This is a new FPV whoop, brushless FPV whoop, 2S and 3S capable, so you can fly with 2S and 3S. Now why they are calling it HD is because they have onboard HD video recording, so you can record 720p or 1080p full HD video clips while you're flying. That means no more dreaded low resolution standard definition FPV whooping videos. Good, very good, because we are tired of that standard definition DVR video. We want to see clear 1080p HD video footage. And but the only question is, once you turn on the recording, will there be any delay while flying or not? Because if there's a delay, then it's a no-no. You can't actually do FPV whooping properly. So let's open it up. Let me show you what's inside the box. I've set it up with my Tyrannus QX7. I'll fly it right away because batteries are fully charged. Inside the box, a 7.4 volt, 400 milliamp battery. And this is your HD whoop. Okay, so I'm just gonna put things out. Then you have a camera Osd controller. You can use it to stop recording video, but do you have to every time connect this to stop recording the video? No, of course not. I was wondering about that. Basically, you have a little button right here that you can press to stop recording video, so you don't have to actually connect that. You can connect this to configure the various parameters, of course, on that playback. And we have additional propellers, okay, some stickers, a USB dongle for charging, and Velcro strip for batteries. But I like the way they have these rubber mounts under the quad. I really like them because they fit the stock battery properly, and also a Gaoneng 450 milliamp 2S battery fits just fine.
Welcome back, Alishan Mao.
All right,
It's
so
a good day to fly RC. Remember to fly hard and crash harder.
well,
Have fun.
at the moment I'm not
Switch warning.
in the mood of
Switch
crashing
warning.
the HD whoop, so let's just do a line of sight flight first, and after that I'll fly FPV. Let's see how it behaves line of sight. All right. I have set the oh, wait a minute. Yes, I have set the throttle curve because 450 milliamp battery is a little heavy. So using a throttle curve, it's behaving really nice. There's a nice punch in it, and it's a screamer, definitely. Flies really nice. Okay, and now we have the Acro Mode. Which is good. So that's what I wanted to say. How good is Acro Mode and how good it is controllably. Controllably, is that a new word? Okay, more than enough. I'll land and put on a FPV goggles. what to do? Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?